Hi, I'm Ronel, and styling a bathroom is one of my favorite places in the world to do. It's very easy and it can really add so much value to your property. So be very lucky, this bathroom is fairly new, fairly modern. But as from a buyer's point of view, when you come into the bathroom, it's lots of stuff everywhere. So you lose a bit of focus of what this bathroom is really all about. So what I normally recommend clients to do, if you do this all yourself, first of all, is remove everything from your shower. The reason being, in a photo, I'm just going to use the pink squishy as an example. If the photographer is going to take a photo of your shower, in the photo, the only thing you're going to see is the pink squishy because it is just contrasting with the rest of the colors. So the main aim for your bathroom is so that the buyer's eye will just glide across the bathroom, which will give them a sense of a lot of space. You don't want them to focus on bits and pieces in your bathroom. So remove squishies, face towels, soaps, if they're bright color. Just remove everything for open home. What you can do is you get a basket, just put everything in there and then just stuck it underneath your zinc or hide them in a cupboard somewhere. So it's easy to get them. All the kids' toys, everything, remove them. Floor mats. I normally recommend removing floor mats. The more tiles that's exposed, the bigger the feel of the bathroom will be. Laundry baskets are great. Unfortunately, they remind you of doing laundry. So just hide them. If they're still in good nick and empty, it's okay. But again, just exposing the tiles will make it feel bigger. This bathroom is very dark tiles and it uses white tiles. So you can actually play with two different colors of towels. We normally recommend white towels. It just gives you a spa boutique feel. In this case, the client only had the darker towels, which is great too. Normally we tell them to tri-fold the towels. So basically what happens is just fold it 3/4 of the way and then back. When you hang it, you do not see the seams on the sides, which just looks nice and tidy. And then you just drape it over the towel round. And you'll do the same with the one at the back. So after you've removed everything from the bath and the shower and the floor, we focus on the basin. So this is very easy. We get a nice soap dispenser. This is not the best that you can get, but it can work for now. Maybe if you can go to a shop and just get a very cheap one, ceramic ones that looks very nice. Just place it on the one side and then just have a bit of greenery, maybe a plant or artificial plants will work. Just brings a bit of color into the bathroom. Maybe a seashell and a candle are always a good option, cheap option. Okay, no toothbrushes anyway. Hide them, stick them in somewhere. And then again, your hand towel, just fold it into tri-fold as well. And just stick it over. Nice and tidy. And this way, when the photographer comes to the bathroom and take a photo, the eye is drawn into the bathroom, focuses on the zinc, and it just creates a lovely, open and big feel. So the client went and decluttered the whole bathroom. And I think results speak for themselves. Now when a buyer comes in to the bathroom, it feels nice, open, clean, big. And they don't focus on anything. You get a sense of space when you come into the bathroom. This is very beautifully dressed. And it just feels like you want to come and have a bath, relax and enjoy this bathroom. So good job on the homeowners. They've done really, really well.
Thanks so much for watching this video. Remember, if you liked it, press thumbs up and subscribe to get more videos like this. See you next time for more fantastic home improvement tips. Bye.